Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that's sure to elevate your health routine, the EanOruus Cold Press Juicer. We discovered this gem online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The EanOruus Cold Press Juicer is a powerful juice extractor designed to maximize the juice yield from your favorite fruits and vegetables while retaining all their essential nutrients. Featuring a sleek dark gray design, this juicer is not only stylish but also boasts a range of practical features that make juicing easier than ever. One of the standout features of the EanOruus juicer is its 5.8-inch wide feed chute. This means you can throw whole apples, carrots, and various vegetables directly into the juicer without the tedious pre-cutting that often comes with traditional juicers. For those of you leading busy lives, this is a game changer. Now, you can spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your delicious, fresh juice. Another impressive aspect is the juicer's 400W motor operating at a slow 50 revolutions per minute. This slow masticating process minimizes heat and oxidation, ensuring that you're locking in every bit of nutrition and fresh flavor. The multi-stage extrusion technology means you'll get juice that's richer in vitamins and minerals compared to what's available in stores. If you're someone who prioritizes health and wellness, this juicer is absolutely tailored for you. Safety is a key consideration in any kitchen, and the EanOruus juicer takes this seriously. With its blade-free design and a lid-activated automatic shutoff feature, you can juice with peace of mind. The juicer powers off the moment the lid is opened, eliminating any worries about accidental injuries, especially if you have little ones around. This thoughtful design element makes it a suitable choice for families, as you can involve your kids in the juicing process without fear. Now, let's talk about cleanup. The EanOruus Cold Press Juicer is designed with three simple, detachable components, making assembly, breakdown, and cleanup totally hassle-free. No more struggling with hard-to-reach spots or complicated parts. The included dedicated cleaning brush ensures you can maintain your juicer without spending ages scrubbing. This feature is particularly appealing for anyone who finds the cleanup process to be a deterrent from juicing regularly. One of the common challenges with juicing is dealing with fibrous ingredients like celery or kale. The EanOruus juicer addresses this with its integrated reverse mechanism, which quickly fixes clogs. This means you can juice tough produce without interruption, ensuring a smooth and continuous juicing experience. Whether you're making a green juice loaded with nutrients or a sweet carrot-apple blend, you can count on this juicer to handle it all. In terms of practical use cases, this juicer is perfect for anyone looking to incorporate more fresh juice into their diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy parent, or someone just starting on a wellness journey, the EanOruus Cold Press Juicer simplifies the process. You can whip up energizing juices in no time, making it easier to enjoy the benefits of fresh produce every day. In conclusion, the EanOruus Cold Press Juicer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, combining efficiency, safety, and ease of use. With its high juice yield, convenient features, and ability to handle both soft and fibrous ingredients, it's designed for anyone looking to lead a healthier lifestyle without the fuss. Thanks for watching.